Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Mitchell H. Mitchell, this is the Corona console that you sent in. It's a Corona V1, meaning it had a 16 megabyte NAND, and then it did not require a postfix adapter. So we read and wrote the NAND using a NANDX, and then we installed a ACE V3 glitch chip. That's non-CR4 speedup, so it's using the default timing file on the ACE V3, which actually boots really nicely in these consoles. We did the blue LEDs on the front per your request. And then just as a note, as the console is attempting to boot, what you'll hear is actually a really high-pitched sound that actually emanates from the fan during the glitch cycles. And what you can do is actually count those, and that'll tell you the number of glitch cycles that it takes for the console to actually start up. This console has been going anywhere from like 3 to 5 glitch cycles, which is somewhere between like 15 and 30 seconds-ish for boot time. So really nice and solid. Inside this paper sleeve here, there is a backup disk that has your original NAND dumps, your CPU key, Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX menu. There's that successful boot. And we've got the console set to the lowest resolution, a trick that I'm going to try to stick to for consoles moving forward, so that no matter what TV you plug into, it's just set at 480p, and you'll want to increase that resolution from there. But it's default booting into Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX menu, and Aurora Dash are all pre-installed as well. Check out the video links that come in your final confirmation email, because there's a quick little tutorial from me on how to navigate around, and there's also a link to a playlist series from XX Modded Warfare, which will teach you just about anything you could want to know on what to do with an RGH. So, thank you for your business. This console actually arrived in the shop on the 4th, which puts today 7 business days later, which is actually coming closer to our 10 business day limit than I usually like. Apologize for the little bit of longevity. Got a lot of stuff going on right now, so but this will ship out tomorrow, Saturday the 14th, and then you should have it in just a couple of days. It goes priority mail. Thanks for your business. Enjoy.